Today we will install the Homebrew browser so we can easily install more Homebrew. You will need a hacked Vita. Either Enzo or h-encore will work, FTP access to your Vita, and the latest Vita Homebrew Browser VPK. Links can be found in the video's description. Open Vita Shell. If you're using h-encore rather than Enzo, make sure to launch that first. Press Start to open your settings. Ensure Select button is set to FTP and press Circle. Press Select and take note of the IP address. Connect to your Vita via FTP. Use anonymous login if asked. Otherwise, you will be repeatedly asked to enter your login credentials. Navigate to UXO, then Data. Copy your vitahbbrowser.vpk file into this directory. Return to Vita Shell and navigate to UXO, Data. You will see vitahbbrowser.vpk. Select it and press X. Press X to install it. Press X again to confirm that you wish to install it. It will install and you will have a new Vita Homebrew Browser icon on your home screen. Run it and you will be presented with a list of Homebrew. You can click any of these and then click the download button. The new Homebrew will be installed and will be added to your home screen where you can run it immediately. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this episode of the Wilson Minute. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and if applicable, watch the next and previous videos in this series. If you would like to help support this channel, I have listed ways to do so in the video's description. Now get out there and apply your newfound knowledge.